Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into Collibra, a leading data governance and data management platform used by enterprises around the world. In this video, I'll walk you through its key features, show you how it works, and give you an honest review, covering strengths, weaknesses, and real-world use cases. So by the end, you'll understand whether Collibra is the right tool for your organization's data governance needs. So firstly, what is Collibra? Collibra is a comprehensive data governance platform designed to help organizations manage, catalog, and govern their data. It's used by enterprises to ensure data quality, compliance, and accessibility, while giving businesses, users, and data stewards the tools they need to collaborate efficiently. The platform is built to scale, from a single department managing sensitive data to global organizations with complex compliance requirements. So, when you log to Collibra, you'll start on a dashboard showing key metrics such as data quality scores, open stewardship, tasks, and recently updated assets. Navigation is organized by modules. On the data catalog of your browse, search, and classify datasets. On Governance Center, it defines policies, workflows, and ownership. Data and quality tracks and manage data accuracy, and finally reports and insights visualize metrics and compliance. Onboarding is structured, often requiring training for data stewards. Collibra provides detailed tutorials and documentation, but the learning curve can be steep for new users. Here's a breakdown of Collibra's main features. 1. Data Catalog. Centralized view of all data assets. Search and filter by dataset, owner, or sensitivity. Classify data for compliance and tag datasets with business terms for easy discovery. 2. Data stewardship and workflows. Assign stewards to datasets or domains, automated workflows for approvals, updates, and policy enforcements. Also, track tasks and assign responsibilities to ensure accountability. Thirdly, policy and compliance management, which defines and enforces data policies across your organization, ensures compliance with GDPR, CCPA, HIPAA, and internal rules, and generate audit trails for regulatory reporting. There's also data quality and rules, which monitor data quality in real time, set thresholds and rules for accuracy, completeness, and consistency. Also get alerts for anomalies or data issues. And finally, we have collaboration and lineage. Track data lineage to understand where data originates and how it flows, and collaborate with team members directly in the platform via comments and workflows. So, here's the typical workflow in Collibra. A new data set is added to the data catalog. The system automatically assigns a steward for review. A policy check runs to verify compliance with internal rules. Then, if the dataset passes, it's published and classified. If the issues are found, a workflow is triggered for remediation. This ensures data is governed consistently and provides visibility for both IT and businesses teams. Also, Collibra integrates with popular data platforms like Snowflake, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and by tools like Tableau and Power BI. Other advanced capabilities include automated metadata harvesting from multiple sources and machine learning-based recommendations for tagging and classification. Also, custom dashboards and reporting for executives and stewards. These features make Collibra ideal for enterprises with complex data landscapes. So, we get that Collibra is feature-rich but complex. New users often need guided training. The dashboard is highly configurable, but the interface can feel overwhelming for casual users. However, once teams are trained, Collibra significantly improves efficiency in data governance processes. So, here's what Collibra does exceptionally well. Enterprise-grade data governance and compliance tools. Centralized data catalog for easier discovery and trust. Strong workflow automation for stewards and business users. Also excellent reporting and audit trails for regulators. You can scale to large, complex organizations. But there are some trade-offs which are a steep learning curve for new users. Initial setup and configuration can be time-consuming. Pricing is enterprise level. Small companies may find it expensive. Also, some users feel the interface is less intuitive compared to newer lightweight tools. Now, we go back to the real-world use cases and who should use Collibra. Enterprises with multiple data sources needing centralized governance. Organizations handling sensitive or regulated data like finance, healthcare, or government. Also teams that need to track data lineage, quality, and stewardship across departments. Smaller companies with simpler data sets may not need the full enterprise power of Collibra. If Collibra feels too complex or costly, alternatives include Alation, which is a focused data cataloging and collaboration tool. Informatica Axon, comprehensive governance with strong metadata management, and Microsoft Purview, which is a cloud-native government solution integrated with Azure. And that's my full review of Collibra Data Governance. It's powerful, enterprise-ready, and feature-packed, but comes with complexity and a higher learning curve. So if your organization needs serious data governance, Collibra can transform how you can manage, classify, and protect data. For smaller teams, consider lighter alternatives. So thanks for watching. If this review helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more software reviews, and leave your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.